On October 22, 1943, one of the deadliest air raids in World War II. On the night of October 22nd, over 569 British bombers left the United Kingdom with a singular mission in mind: a devastating air raid on Kassel. Kassel, a crucial industrial hub for Nazi Germany, produced tanks, locomotives, aircraft parts, and even V-1 flying bombs. Destroying Kassel's armament production factories would not only hinder German war production, but also destroy the country's morale. The air raid, one of the deadliest single-night raids in World War II, caused the destruction of 155 industrial buildings and 26,000 residential buildings, destroyed 90% of the city center as well as the Henschel tank production factory, and caused a firestorm that lasted several days. Over 100,000 people were left homeless, and an estimated 9,000 were killed by the fire and smoke.